Agriculture is the backbone of the Somali economy, but it faces many challenges. Farmers often lack access to reliable market information and must rely on middlemen, which reduces their profits. Poor access to quality farm inputs and expert advice leads to inefficient farming practices, crop health problems, and post-harvest losses. M-Dalag is changing this by introducing a mobile-based solution tailored to the needs of Somali farmers. This innovative platform allows farmers, buyers, and input sellers to connect easily through their basic mobile phones by dialing a short code 315 accessible even to those with limited literacy. Through M-Dalag, farmers can access real-time market prices specific to their region, ensuring they make informed decisions about where and when to sell their produce. The platform also allows farmers to post details about their crops for sale, connecting them to potential buyers in their locations. As the system evolves, M-Dalag will integrate payment gateways, making transactions even easier and more efficient. M-Dalag goes beyond market information. It provides farmers with direct access to agricultural input sellers, offering everything from seeds and fertilizers to farm equipment. This ensures that farmers can quickly and easily find the inputs they need to improve productivity. A key feature of M-Dalag is its ability to help farmers deal with crop diseases. Through the system, farmers can report outbreaks of pests or diseases directly to the Ministry of Agriculture's Crop Disease Surveillance Team, who will review, process, and provide expert advice and support. By using voice broadcasts, farmers receive real-time assistance, reducing losses and improving crop health. M-Dalag also connects farmers with tractor services. The platform allows farmers to book tractors based on their specific needs through IVR, making it easier for them to access mechanized farming services. Tractor owners and clients receive SMS notifications once they are matched, streamlining the process and improving farming efficiency. With mobilizers in villages across the regions we operate, M-Dalag aims to register thousands of farmers, helping them access the system and ensuring continuous updates of local market prices. These mobilizers play a vital role in supporting the farmers, whether it's facilitating tractor bookings, crop disease surveillance, or verifying the market data. Beyond farmers, M-Dalag serves input sellers, buyers, and service providers, creating a transparent, efficient marketplace for everyone. Buyers can easily browse through listings of available crops, contact farmers, and complete transactions with future plans to include payment options directly through the platform. M-Dalag is more than just a marketplace. It's a tool for long-term agricultural planning. Farmers can receive advice on seasonal planning, including strategies for mitigating droughts and dealing with other risks that threaten their livelihoods. By promoting better market access, sustainable farming practices, and real-time expert support, M-Dalag is empowering Somali farmers to improve their livelihoods and strengthen their communities. M-Dalag empowering farmers, connecting markets, and driving sustainable agriculture.